So at this point, we are almost done with the cleaning. So as you can see, I'm almost rounding up with the porta filters. I have to clean them also to make sure they are totally clean, sparkling clean. So soon we will be mounting the part back on the coffee machine. So while you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share.
Capi, man for liquid, there's love in the air. Raise a glass, let's celebrate. Capi's here to elevate. With every pour, he's got the spark, turning moments into art. On TikTok, Facebook, YouTube too. Capi, man for liquid, we're here for you. A barista by day, a bartender by night, crafting concoctions that feel just right. With passion and spirit, he's breaking the mold. In a world full of flavors, his story unfolds. So gather
So guys, as you can see, that's our drainage. It's totally clean,
feels bright. From
and trust me, this is one of my best moments when I'm actually cleaning the coffee machine. Though sometimes it's not easy, you might get injured while washing the part, but trust me, it is worth it. Keeping your machine clean, maintaining it all the time gives you an absolute pleasure. So if you have not been doing that, you should try it. You should follow my channel more often. I will be dropping tutorials on how to calibrate, how to do proper maintenance. So you all just stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe.
bringing everyone near with a wink and a smile. He's here to inspire. Capi, man for liquid, the heart of the fire. Raise a glass, let's celebrate. Capi's here to elevate. With every pour, he's got the spark, turning moments into art. On TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Capi, man for liquid, we're here for you.
Hope you're enjoying what you see. So at this point, we have to put back the porta filters, and of course we will reset our design. I have a way of placing my designs on top of the coffee machine, which makes it look more beautiful. So if you have a front view or a front desk position to position your coffee machine, you can also try this on it and thank me later.
In the heart of the kitchen where the magic unfolds, Capi, man for liquid, with stories to be told. He's the master of flavors, a wizard with zest, transforming the fruits. He's simply the best. With a shake and a stir, he brings life to the night. At gatherings and parties, he's the shining light. From sunrise to sunset, he's mixing with flair. Capi, man for liquid, there's love in the air. Raise a glass, let's celebrate. Capi's here to elevate. With every pour, he's got the spark, turning moments into art. On TikTok, Facebook, YouTube too. Capi, man for liquid, we're here for you. pocket, he's the only one. Raise a glass, let's celebrate. Capi's here to elevate. With every pour, he's got the spark, turning moments into art. On TikTok, Facebook, YouTube too. Capi man for liquid, we're here for you. So when the night falls and the stars shine clear, Capi's magic flows, bringing everyone near. With a wink and a smile, he's here to inspire. Capi meant for liquid, the heart of the fire. Raise a glass, let's celebrate. Capi's here to elevate. With every pour, he's got the spark.
So guys, tell me, what do you think about the process? Is it not beautiful? Take a look at the design. If you have another option, you can drop it at the comment section and we discuss on it later. Okay, hope this method helped you out.